Hi Caroline, here is a first pass at the master bedroom wardrobe. We need to get this angle and position accurately mapped. I'm going to need some more measurements from you to do that. Yes, I can see what you mean by the issue with the height. I think I've made reasonable accommodations for that, but it's one of those problems that it's not entirely solvable. Just out of interest, let's just measure what is the height from there to there. Yeah, that's just under 1.9 meters. So this is going to be where somebody is going to be standing to get to clothes, and what is defining that standing position is not the depth there, it's the depth of the clothes, which is typically about 55 centimetres. The only other thing you could consider, and it is worth me drawing this, is having a hanging rail on this side, which would give you an enormous amount of hanging space with good head height. You could do other things along this wall. It's worth drawing that, it's worth looking at. Anyway, this is just a first pass. There's plenty to look at and comment on the pantry. It's worth holding fire on the wardrobe until I've drawn the hanging on this side. Trust me, I've done things like this in roof eaves before. It's worth looking at. But can you try and get me some more information on this angle? We've got 600 here, we've got a known distance here. This is what's going to give us the angle, this distance here. And you've given me, you were confident about that height there, but it's going to be important to map this properly. I also need more dimensions of this shape here. But even as that stands, that is a respectable wardrobe with lots of shoe storage, lots of basket storage, and some other facilities as well. I think that's about as much as I can do on this. I will speak to you soon.